GMC pickup. A 1964, so that means it's 62 years old. And they made things that would last. I know it's not original, but it is pretty.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Always like the wood bed in these things. I always thought that was cool. We got a cooler kind of like that on the other side over there.
Yep.
Wow, that's pretty inside. Looks like it's all original. Can imagine.
It's close to the longest one here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, look how long and wide it is.
If it went by length, I probably wouldn't prize.
Yeah, I knew it had to be a 60 some model, 66.
It's got acres of trunk.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got. I don't believe how much trunk space it's got.
It's got a lot. 66 Mercury.
Wow.
3100. It's 1957. '68. Too, and it's been hard to do. 72 Ford Super Cab, which now is called an extended cab. Sliding window.
It was low mileage. Because David came up with it somewhere, my Uncle David.
Oh, all right.
He got it at a car auction or something.
66 Ford Mustang. And his dad was looking for one, wasn't he?
Well, the other truck was getting where it wasn't working too good.
Doing pretty good. Is this yours? His? Ours? Yours? His? Our neighbor had a Super Sport like this with a police interceptor package in it.
To that, it could have been a 383. I think it's 4.
Well, it had the police interceptor package in it. I know that. It was a muscle car. This guy's a firefighter. Pontiac GTO, 1967.
You gotta see this.
Look at that vinyl top.
Yeah. Just eating him up.
Oh, God.
So he said, I went to the shop and got a case of brake parts. They're no longer with us.
Yeah, I can imagine. I remember, excuse me, I remember when we went on the Natchez, we had to watch for that stuff.
Yeah. They were witch dance. They were really bad. Because remember we had to pick where we put our tent.
Yes, we walked around forever trying to find a place to put our tent. I wouldn't have minded camping. Cecil Savage.